In this video we show an overview of the many configuration options of the web panel. The individual configuration options are explained in detail in separate how-to videos. Network. Here you can make LAN and wireless LAN settings. Display. Here you can set the boot logo, display orientation, backlight and keyboard layout. The calibration of the touch screen is also included. Time date. Here you can set the date, time and time zone. File Manager. Here you can view, create, copy and delete files in folders like in a Windows Explorer. Package Manager. Here you can search for Linux packages, install and delete them. Backup, Restore. Here you can export device settings, update the software of the device and create a backup copy of the device to a data carrier. Browser Settings. Here you can make numerous settings for the browser. Manuals. Here you can find the hardware and software manuals for the device. Save money and time with a simple configuration.